Earlier this month, NYC listed HASI, which invests in distributed energy solutions across the country, announced that it is investing up to $500 million over an 18-month span into a newly formed joint venture with Sunrun.
So we're very excited about the new joint venture with Sunrun. Sunrun is a long-term client of HASI. They provide solar and storage solutions to homeowners. We're a financial partner of theirs, and we've invested with them many times before. Our investment facilitates more homeowners obtaining power to their homes that is both affordable and resilient. And this investment also allows us to scale our business. We are now over $15 billion in managed assets, and our business has grown quite significantly. And these larger investments are certainly helpful in allowing us to achieve our growth targets. So the underlying risk return profile is very similar to what we've done with Sunrun historically, where we're financing the leases, and as long as homeowners continue to make payments, investors receive their return. So we're very excited about it. We have a client-driven business, and Sunrun is a very important client of ours.
How do you differentiate yourself from traditional infrastructure investors?
So HASI is indeed very differentiated from other infrastructure funds in a number of ways. One is that we focused only on sustainable infrastructure. We've found great return in the clean energy world, and other infrastructure funds have a much wider focus. Secondly, we invest at the asset level, secured by project cash flows. Many other infrastructure funds invest in platforms or entire companies. That's not our business model. Third, we have a very strong client orientation. So we go into the large infrastructure sponsors and developers and talk to them about their long-term strategy, provide framework agreements that become facilitations of long-term financial relationships rather than transactional relationships. So it's that client orientation, it's that how can we help you approach that differentiates us. And then finally, we're a permanent capital solution. So we invest typically for the life of the project. Many infrastructure funds have distribution requirements and structures that only allow them to make short-term investments in projects. So in all those ways, we're very differentiated from other infra funds.
And Jeff, when you look at the energy transition today, where are you seeing the strongest demand for capital?
So we're seeing very strong demand in solar and storage in particular. Solar is among the most cost-effective and fastest power source in terms of bringing it to market, and development cycles are shorter. There's enormous demand for power in the country right now, and solar and storage are certainly meeting that. But that shouldn't diminish demand in other technologies as well. We're seeing great demand in wind. We just did the largest wind project in North America recently in 2025. And we're seeing demand in renewable natural gas and fleet transportation. And again, it's all driven by a large increase in power demand in the country. So solar and storage are certainly leading the way, but we have a diverse business, and we're seeing demand across the board.
Jeff, what is up next for HASI?
I think it's to continue to diversify our business. We've talked about a group of assets we call the next frontier. So to build upon what we've done in renewables, what we've done in renewable natural gas, what we've done in energy efficiency, and apply our investment thesis and the same investment attributes to a wider number of technologies, a wider number of clients. Again, we're becoming larger. We're making larger investments like the Sunrun that you've mentioned, and I think we can continue to diversify our business. We can continue to grow if we remain disciplined and apply the similar attributes to our investment strategy as we've done historically.
CEO and president of HASI. Kristen, I'm going to send things back to you in Studio One.
Ashley, thank you so much. And of course, our thanks to HASI as well.